Where are we at, Ryder?
At Jet Flood Express.
The Jet Flood Express. Is this the longest, fastest quad chair on the mountain?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. All right. So is this your favorite lift?
Yes.
Okay, good.
How old are you?
2.
Nice.
Wow.
Do it. Yeah, you can. Just snowplow right to mama. Right? Backwards, you can put out front. Watch me. Watch me. I'm going to turn around and I am going to photograph you all the way down.
You can't rest.
Mama needs a rest. Can we rest?
We can't right now because we're going to go on a Jet Flood Express stairwell.
All right. So do you see that trail over there? That's where you got to go. Not the straight one. The one over there where the secret that. Oh, you're on Mama's seat. Okay. Follow Mama, okay? I'll show you which trail. That trail over there is the one that goes to Jet Flood Express.
Oh, give me some french fries. Get some speed, buddy.
Any trick is turning at the races in my head. I've been taking the illusion that the stopping doesn't
for
Don't
me.
be a bad boy, Johnny.
Oh, sat down.
Don't you slip up or play the fool. Oh no more, oh no da.
She's escaping. The freight car is out of control. He's in the lead.
Get told by the teacher not to daydream. Told by my mother. Bigot, 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 chicken, bigot, 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 chicken, bigot. Gonna play football this year, John? No. Oh. You must be gonna play cricket this year, then, are you, John? Nah, nah.
Where are we at, Ryder?
At Jet Express.
The Jet Flood Express. Is this the longest, fastest
Yes.
quad chair on the mountain?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. All right. So is this your favorite lift?
Yes.
Okay, good.
How old are you?
2.
Nice.
Wow.
All right, Ryder. Well, we're proud of you. Good skiing.
What do you want to tell yourself when you watch this on YouTube?
Hi.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi. How about rock on?
No, I can't make a rock on.
Got your gloves on, I know.
You got mittens? Okay, you can pretend though, can't you?
Let's go like this. Go. Rock on.
Rock on.
Nice. All right.